Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Sanjs Aasha. Today we will see a Alpine stitch, Alpine crochet stitch. It's a very simple stitch, very easy to understand, and it's quickly done. Plus it's a beautiful stitch, you will definitely like it. So let's start the video. We will be starting with a slip knot followed by chain crochet stitches. Chain crochet stitches you can take whatever number you want as per your wish. Just I would like to tell you, in Alpine stitch we will be using three basic stitches, that is single crochet stitch, double crochet stitch and front post double crochet stitch. So if by chance you are having any issue regarding any of this stitch, you can find tutorial videos on my channel. You can please do watch them. They are quite easy to understand. Even though you are an absolute beginner, it will help you out. Okay, let's get back to the video. Now once we are done with the chain crochet stitch, any new stitch we will be starting from the third loop. Now our first row is going to be of single crochet stitches, one single crochet stitch in one chain stitch in each loop. We will be taking single crochet stitch till the end of the loop, and till the end of the um, last stitch, or till the end of the chain crochet stitch. Once we are done with the last stitch, we will just turn our work, and when we turn our work we will take a chain stitch, only one, and from now onwards every row we will start first with a chain stitch and from the first stitch of the row. We won't be skipping any stitch. Now second row we are gonna do double crochet stitch for complete row. As we are done with the last stitch, we will again turn our work. As usual, we will take a chain stitch and we will start from the first stitch itself. Now here our pattern comes. Now what we will do, we will take one double crochet stitch in one stitch, and in next stitch we will take a front post double crochet stitch. So pattern goes like one double crochet stitch, next stitch front post double crochet stitch, then again next stitch one double crochet stitch, next front post double crochet stitch. So this we are going to repeat for the whole row. As we go forward with the video, I would like to thanks who have subscribed to my channel. Thanks a lot. And who are new to my channel, who have not subscribed yet, I'll request you, if you find my video little bit of informative, if it has given you a little bit of idea, so please do like, subscribe, share. Coming back to video, once we are done with the pattern, one double crochet, one front post double crochet, when we are finished with that row, next row we will be again doing single crochet stitch. And after that, once single crochet stitch row is finished, so our next row is going to be, we will see where it is a double crochet, we will take front post double crochet, and where it is a front post double crochet, we will take a double crochet. So now onwards, in every alternate row, after every single stitch row, we will do vice versa. Where it is a double crochet, we will take front post double crochet, and where it is a front post double crochet, we will take Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.
Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.